Good morning from Dubai. It's day 3 of our trip and we've got a busy, beautiful day ahead. From beach walks to balcony chats, delicious food and the most magical sunset. Let's get into it. We kicked off the morning with a big breakfast at the hotel. Everyone was eating like they hadn't eaten in days. The speed was unreal. Haadiya was in her element, munching away on watermelon, her absolute favourite. And while we ate, we planned out our day ahead. After breakfast, we headed out on foot from Amwaj Rotana Hotel to JBR Beach. It's only a short walk and honestly, the weather was incredible. Super hot, like 38 degrees hot, but still so beautiful. We walked past the ice cream shop where I had the crazy minion ice cream last year. Major throwback, I really enjoyed it. JBR is full of places to eat, chill, shop. It's such a vibe. We ended up stopping at Smokey Beach. It was boiling hot, but luckily they had this giant AC blasting right at us, which honestly saved the day. We didn't get the best view since we sat in the shade, but to be honest, we were just grateful to cool down and relax. Of course, we ordered some food, nachos, shrimp and mojitos. Can I just say that cheese dip was so thick and gooey. It made every bite of nachos stay crispy. Perfection. And then it was just time to unwind with some shisha and just enjoy the moment. After our little break, we headed back to the hotel. Haadiya was having a full-on photo shoot on the balcony, striking poses like she owns the place. Then out of nowhere, she starts saying, "I want khoy," which is a classic Bangladeshi snack. Toddlers and their cravings, I swear. She spent some time watching the view with her dad. Such sweet moments. Later in the evening, we walked back out to JBR for dinner, this time to go Cheesecake Factory. Portions were huge, so if you go, definitely try to share. Everyone really enjoyed their meal, no complaints, just full stomachs. After dinner, we headed to the beach again, and wow, just look at the weather. The sunset was unreal, golden skies, perfect light, and just the most calming view. I did end up using my niece as a tripod to get this view, as she had the camera pendant stuck on her at that time, and her point of view was just beautiful. We played with the beach, the sand, the water. It was just lovely memories, really a great day. By this point, my camera had died, so I did take some on the iPhone. So this is Haadiya just walking near the beach, playing with the sand and having fun in the water with her mum. I think she really enjoyed it and I can't wait to take her to the beach again. Let me know if you have any questions about JBR Beach, as this was my second time and I really enjoyed JBR. This is such a great location. I definitely think worth visiting. And that's a wrap on day 3. Next up is Afa's birthday. We head out for a lovely meal and Haadiya finally gets to explore the hotel playroom. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching.